In this video, I want to tell the story of my experience with a very important event for the future of Daily Dev, the company I'm currently working for as a developer advocate. Hi, I'm Francesco, and this series is dedicated to my experience in developer relations. If you want to learn what developer relations are, and you want to know more about the definition, what DevRels do, what they don't do, and how they do it, I recommend you to watch the other videos in the series. Everything I say is based on my personal experience. In December 2022, Nimrod, the CEO of Daily Dev, informed us during an internal meeting that we had concluded the seed round. What is a seed round? It's a financing activity that raises capital to support a business. That often comes from company founders' asset, friends and family, angel investors, and VCs. The total was mind-blowing, $11 million. Not bad for a project that started as a weekend side project. As a DevRel, I quickly understood that I would have played an important role in the announcement. The problem is that I had to wait 3-4 months for this day, and then I couldn't brag with my friends. The preparation phase was very important. In this phase, we decided that the main activities, how to do them, meetings, brainstorming sessions, and the timelines. This is the most important phase because the success or failure of all the activities depends on it. There will always be something that goes wrong or something unexpected. For example, we had to move the announcement day from March 22nd to March 23rd, which caused some problems because we had already prepared something with the date printed. But anyway, I will not go into the details, but that required an additional effort. The activities have been many, but let's see the three main ones. Snakes and Ladders gift. We sent over 100 boxes of a Snakes and Ladders game developer version to people relevant to the tech community. Oh, and I got one too. Here it is. If you're a fan of unboxing videos, I leave the video link in the description. In 3 of these games, we also placed a randomly selected golden ticket. These people will participate in an upcoming company gathering in person with Daily Dev. Yes, like the chocolate factory. And I have a video about what a company gathering is and about the last one. So if you want, you can check it out in the link below. Then we did a giveaway with 100 Lego sets. I still need it, but to win this, basically you had to showcase your setup showing the Daily Dev feed, and people went really crazy. And we had to choose, and it was very hard to choose the winners. Well done, everyone. And I think that's all. No, I forgot to mention the real announcement. So we made a lot of noise on social media, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere basically. We had over 20 publications, and the most important one probably is the featured article on Techcrunch. In the description, I leave all the details with the links if you're curious and you want to know more about this. So this experience has been really incredible, and I would like to thank all the Daily Dev members for helping with making this launch and to make this a really unforgettable experience. It has been really a great team job. If you want to know more and if you have any question, just drop it below. Ciao!